Quick impression of my long-haul flight recently in Delta's Premium Select cabin from Seattle to Paris on the A330-900neo. This was a last-minute upgrade, and I took the last seat available in the center of the middle aisles at the back with the wall behind it, and I was surprised at how sort of cramped this cabin felt. As you can see here, there's not a lot of space in the aisle or even in the seats. These do recline. They have the headrest we're all used to. That seat armrest drops down if you're getting in and out for convenience. They have a leg rest that comes up and a footrest. If you're taller than about 5'5", you probably might not find that very useful. I did find that the recline was alright with the wall behind me. It didn't limit the recline, although it wasn't a ton more than coach. You have the normal seat back with all the movies and shows and music that you want to listen to. There, you've got a plug-in. We got noise-canceling headphones and an amenity kit, which had a toothbrush, an eye mask, and earplugs in it. We were able to pre-order our meal, which we'll get to in a little bit. And there is, right next to you, there's a water bottle spot, a remote, and an unlit set of buttons that were kind of hard to see or reach to deal with the recline and the leg rest. Very nice pop-up, sort of self-propelled, smooth tray table in the armrest there. We did get a hot towel service before our first bit of food came out. We got a pre-meal snack that was a little more than what you get in coach. I got Prosecco and these little cheesy biscuits, and then the meal came out, which was for me a chicken dish and a salad and tiramisu, which was not a bad meal. Surprisingly, we didn't see any snack baskets for this whole entire flight, so people were going to the galley to grab their own snacks, and we didn't see the flight attendants again until coffee in the morning. Breakfast options were a French toast or a quiche. I went with the quiche with sausage and yogurt, and you do get real plates and flatware with the meals, which was nice. I slept about 2 hours of this 10+ hour flight. I was kind of surprised at that because I have flown this cabin before and found it fairly comfortable. Even with the leg rest and extra recline, it was pretty cramped as far as trying to get a position you could sleep in. We did get a blanket and pillow. I used the blanket to sleep a little, but the pillow I couldn't use and I didn't have anywhere to really stick it. I just stuffed it under the seat with my luggage, but there wasn't a lot of room there, and it kept falling out and bumping into my neighbor's legs. Overall, this is definitely a nicer cabin than coach, and you do have a lot of extra space compared to coach, but I would definitely be careful what you're paying for the upgrade if you're looking at Premium Select. The leg rest definitely does help your legs not feel gross after a long flight, but just watch what the upgrade costs in terms of making this worth it. I hope this quick run through helps you if you're on the fence about upgrading to Delta's Premium Select on your next flight.